So many of you have enjoyed our Syntec paintbrush, but many of you don't know about the Paint Ease. It's something I developed for those who have some arthritis or some stiffening in your joints and sometimes find it difficult to hold a large brush like this. And this is just a silicone piece that goes over the top of the brush. Let me show you how it works. It just actually slips over the top of the brush. It's very easy to clean because it's silicone, and it slides over and it just covers up the furrow of the brush. And it also is a place that you can hold to your brush without having to clutch the brush in your hand at all times. So whenever you need to stop and use your hands, you have the freedom to do that. With this tool, it alleviates a lot of hand stress because you're not having to hold on as firmly as you normally would without this. It gives you a great little cushion and a place to hold on to the brush at all times. So I hope you try it. It's called Paint Ease, and you can get it at All-in-One Paint, and try it along with the Syntec brush. And I'm sure you will find this will help you with some of your DIY projects.
Like and follow for more great DIY tips.